Hello traders, today we are looking at the Momentum Divergence Indicator for MetaTrader 4. This tool automatically identifies divergences between price movements and the momentum oscillator. At this point, I'll load the indicator on the chart so you can see how it looks in real time. Remember to allow DLL imports. And there we have it. On the chart, the indicator marks divergences with lines or arrows connecting the relevant highs or lows on both the price charts and the momentum sub window. A bullish divergence appears when price makes a lower low but momentum makes a higher low. A bearish divergence shows price making a higher high while momentum makes a lower high. These visual markers help you quickly spot these discrepancies. As for the indicator settings, let's take a look. Settings allow you to adjust the momentum calculation period, the sensitivity for divergence detection, and the visual style of the divergence markers. You can also enable alerts to notify you when a new divergence is detected. As for who is for, this indicator is suited for traders who use divergence analysis as part of their chart reading. It is a visual and analytical tool only and does not execute trades. Divergences do not always lead to reversals, and price can continue in its current direction despite a divergence signal. Always use additional analysis for confirmation. If you'd like to download this tool or learn more, I've included a link in the description below. This has been another video from the Forex Geek. If you found it useful, please hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss future content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.